In this video, I'll show you how to edit opening soon banner text on password page. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So in order to do that, we just need to head over on our actual online store and click on this customize option on our Shopify dashboard. Once we have done that, this will open our Shopify editor. Now head over and click on this home page right here. And then after that, scroll down until you can see the option in here for password. If you can't locate it, you can just head over in here on the search and then just type in here password until you can see this particular page. So click on this password right here and you should be able to see this opening soon text. So what you can do in order to edit it is we can click on this opening soon and then this will open in here a new setting on our actual heading. So you can click on this one right here. So for example, you can put in here anything you want. Like for example, we will open soon. So you can add that and you can make the heading size small or medium or large depending on your liking. After that, head over and save this progress. And as you can see, it will be saved. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.